Hey everybody, I have my other unboxing here. So what I have is I have a check valve that I need to install on my pool and a piece of 2-inch PVC line. Now that line isn't very flexible with movement, so I'm going to have trouble if I wanted to spread it apart and put a check valve in there. So to fix that, I bought two 2-inch unions. All right, and I don't know if you know how these work or not, but what you do is you would glue this on the pipe. You would glue this on the device you're going to put in line, and then you would connect this up, screw it together, and that would seal things up for you. So I've got two of them. Basically, they're going to go like this, and my check valve will be in between here. But that's it. Look like they're very high quality. They're PVC, Schedule 40, and they do have the O-ring in there, which is really what I'm looking for. I've seen other kinds that have gaskets, but that's really not what I'm interested in. But a little later on, not today, but maybe tomorrow or the next day, I will be installing these with the check valve, and of course there'll be a video on this. But looks like good high quality stuff here. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna deny it. It looks very heavy duty. Uh, and the only reason I'm using these is because I need something that I'm going to be able to glue up and give me the tolerance, right? Give me the tolerance to actually, put this right in place with this already there. So this will slide right into place, and then when I screw it together, I won't have to spread the pipes apart, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So, uh, thanks for taking the time to watch. Just get this back in here. I appreciate the time you spend watching the videos. All right, two-inch check valves, not check valves, but PVC unions. Thank you.